hello.
Ew. Oh, that looks like shit.
This is Joe. We're on our way to Door County. We have to get Starbucks first.
God knows. So all hell will freeze over before I am sick on this fucking trip.
And then we have to go to Maggie's house.
Got my nails
She's gonna
done.
drive us there. Yeah, we got our nails done. And then we gotta we gotta meet up with Carly, and then Carly's gonna. Are we gonna get Carly after?
I thought Maggie was getting called.
She didn't answer the phone. So
Call Carly.
we're on our way. This is Carly.
We're on our way.
How do you guys feel?
Great, considering I have a blanket.
So we stuffed the car. We were supposed to bring a truck.
Here, give me this. Oh, now I gotta get all, I can't even sing right now. I don't know this song. Hi. I look like I'm ready for winter.
You are ready for winter. Hi, Carly. Hi. Hi, Maggie. Here, Carly. So we just got here. Yay! We start eating all our snacks. Guys, come on. Yeah. Thank you. And we're gonna figure out where we're gonna eat tonight. Hi, Maggie.
Friday night fish fry.
Fish fry.
Yeah. That's my
Motherfucker here.
Girl scrap.
Everybody say hello.
Are we on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, YouTube fam.
Keep going.
You should give us.
We are now on a segment of A Cup of Joe with Joe.
Did you take one?
Read it.
I didn't do it.
When I
Carly, you took
pooped, what came out of my butt?
I don't know, Sammy. What came out of your
What
butt?
came out of your butt?
Me?
Out of my
Well,
butt.
I should have picked this one. Although mine's pretty good.
When I pooped, what came out of my butt? Sudden poop explosion disease.
I wonder whose that is.
Can I be literal? Okay. The harsh light of day. It's sad.
But.
We're on our way to do some art.
Yay.
Joe's a little sicky still. Carly's cool. Yeah. We're all cool.
Hey, I got free chips.
She got free chips.
And they here. All day here, like $500.
I probably would too.
Hey, say hey. Show us what you're painting. Little fairy. What are you painting, Maggie?
Doggy ball.
A donkey who lives.
Hey, Kitty.
Oh, pretty pie.
Oh, look at the fly. Take that Ay, how adorable.
Look at him down here laying.
I've never met a cat so like. I know, he's so sweet.
It's your name.
Our cat
Oh, he loves all this attention.
on the shelf.
Carly just gave me a little taster.
place. What's up?
Wine place.
Yeah, no, this one's perfectly fine. It's the vodka, the Green Bay Packers, so they make all their drinks there with our vodka. They specialize in dry wine. They specialize in over wine.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Maggie.
Cheers. Oh my god, I can't.
So we just finished getting ready. Can you tell? And then we're gonna go out to dinner. We're gonna do karaoke.
I am promoting. Actually, I can't read that. It's called Tanks and Guns.
Yeah, it's backwards because we're on selfie mode. But it's Tanks and Guns. It's her friend Rob.
We're gonna go karaoke. Oh my god.
Hopefully,
Look
we'll
at my
record
eyes.
Joe being up there
If I can actually sing.
because she's the only good singer of the group. Oh,
Actually,
here's
not
Carly.
really.
Oh, hey,
Not really.
What are we gonna
Girl,
go
you don't
do?
know I'm Mariah Carey.
She Mariah Carey.
So we're gonna record her. She goes up.
I have hot men like carry me around on a stage.
That's all that ever happens to her, actually.
So we just had a snowball fight.
Stop, if we're all talking at once, we can't
I'm out of breath.
Maggie, we're on our way out.
Well, first
We
of
did
all,
our hair, did our makeup.
Yeah, too bad it's
Maggie
ruined.
decided to
You
throw
can't even
some
see anything in this goddamn
snowballs.
camera.
It's okay. We're at dinner.
Why would you split a steak?
There's Carly and Joe.
amen.
This is Maggie. She just took a crap ton of pictures at us. It was terrible.
Oh my god, look at these wine chillers. So much nicer.
No.
Trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Gotta give it no love. Fire. The one
That is so good.
desire.
When I said
I want it that way. But we
are two worlds apart,
can't reach to your heart when you say I want it that way. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say.
What'd you say, Maggie?
She said it depends on this. It's a lie.
This is our server.
You better do good.
She was just kidding.
And we're like, oh.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Woo!
I love this side.
I traveled each and every highway and much more than this.
I did it my
Much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew when I've been off more than I could chew. But through it all, when it was down, I get up and sit down. I fixed it up and then I stood tall and lived my way.
I walk into the room, passing out $100 bills, and it kills and it feels like a horn down my Silverado grill. And I buy a bar around the ground and
hurler.
never gonna be the same. 'Cause I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old Southern road. Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Somebody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Well, I don't give a dang about nothing that I'm singing, bling blinging, while the girls are drinking. Long legs down, and we drink Leroy on my Chevrolet.
Escalator, my freak grid. I'm the
I'm
only
going
John
way
Wayne
left
left
in
in
this
this town. Saddle up my chasing and I ride.
into the city.
I make a lot of noise. All the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway. My horse got chased on. The girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy.
What is this?
Save a horse, ride a cowboy.
Get out of here.
go fix our paintings. My glasses are crooked. Maggie ran inside to get espresso because there's nothing open. Everything's closed. What did we just eat?
Amazing baked bread.
Grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese. I want a massage, but they laughed at me.
He left.
Oh my god, don't come near me. He's attacking Joe.
Chickens get hugs.
He likes Joe.
I don't think this one gets hugs.
Yeah. Oh, what if its feet are cold?
It's like I'm posing for you. Take the damn picture.
Oh, look at him.
Come on, kitty.
Don't follow us. Come on.
First day of my life. Let's go, kitty. I'll follow you. Oh, look at him go. Kitty, 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 kitty. Hey, boo boo. Come on, kitty. Come on. Here we go. Just show me yours. This is for her mama here.
So not even close to it.
See, Harley. I want to see Harley. I want to see. Oh, you took it away from the video. Painted that yourself. Oh my god. Look at Maggie.
On the bench.
Yeah, yeah. Or do you want to come first? Yeah, I do.
Look at the key. Cheers, Maggie. Cheers.
I don't know what to put inside my bowl.
She's looking real Joe.
I might have another one.
I didn't bring any
Okay, I'm so allergic to that. Even if I take that, I'm leaving these all over you.
Oh my god, there's alpacas. Shut up. Come here. Oh shit, there's goats and shit. Are we allowed to be over here? Because I can't run.
Look at Leanne.
Oh god, the goats are coming. Can they jump this fence? I'm scared. There's an alpaca. Or is that a llama?
Wait, record this?
What is that?
Get the horsies. I'm gonna send this to my mom. Oh, here come the goats.
Look at the horses.
I like that.
Dude, the goats are scary. Look at them. Oh, look at the keys and the goat. And the alpaca or llama. I think it's a llama. To be honest. Maggie.
Oh my god, I miss Chase.
We just randomly walked over here while Joe's still painting, and we found all these animals.
Get the horse, get the horse.
Maggie has her own horse,
Jason.
Jason. Look at you. Look at their eyes.
Come back, goat. You know, they're like right within me. Look at that poor one, his foot's hurt.
The white ones?
Yeah, the one that's doing it right in his foot.
Oh, the geese.
Yeah, see, look at it. Poor thing.
I'm painting except for Joe.
We're almost there.
She's got perfect detail.
Not really perfect, but that's okay.
And then the squeakers. And Squeaker's in the house. He's my new cat. My new kitty, Mrs. Squeak.
Carly already asked if she can take him for
It's in the process.
We're giving him away for adoption.
to me, right when they're
Now they can't part. Carly's in love.
Yeah, I'm addicted.
Carly's named him Frederick. Joe!
Selfie.
He's about to bite your hair. You should do the fence. Who can strike him? Maggie, I can't walk through this.
Go the other way?
Yeah.
The long way?
You're right. Look how beautiful. The kitty and then this. Hey, Joe.
Hi.
Say hi to everybody. Where are we? This is not. This is Fish Creek, Wisconsin.
The water we're looking at is pretty
I'm gonna drop my phone.
We're gonna fall and die.
At least there's people over there to
Like help save us,
help.
right?